Hi, today we're going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a HP Officejet 6500 wireless inkjet printer. Now, partway through cleaning, the printer identified that the cyan cartridge in this machine was out of ink, but we're also going to replace the yellow and the magenta since they were running pretty low also. Now, the process of replacing these cartridges is pretty simple. You just reach down below the document feeder, below the scanner, and just lift up the top part of the printer, revealing the inside as shown here. Now, after a few seconds, the cartridge cradle will move over into the replacement position. Now, it's important you always do this with the machine on so that it knows it's looking for new cartridges. As you can see on the top of the cradle, there are symbols and colours indicating which colour goes in which slot, because they each do have a dedicated slot. So to remove the cartridges, we simply compress the clip at the front of the cartridges and lift them out. We slide in our new cartridges, ensuring that all protective packaging has been removed, and press them down firmly until we hear a nice satisfying click. With this done, the lid of the printer can be put down. Now, if you're using non-HP cartridges like we are here, you'll be required by the printer to give a prompt just to let it know you're aware of this before you can continue printing. And after a few seconds of your printer checking the cartridges to ensure that it's happy, the status screen will change, allowing you to carry on printing. Now, I hope you found this useful. If you have, let us know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know down in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.